Hello, today I'd like to take a look at the new expansion pack Cinema and TV. The expansion pack can be used with PhotoVision, VideoVision and Stages 2023. Once purchased, the expansion pack will automatically be linked to your program. You'll then find an example project under File Open that shows some of the effects in action. In the Smart Templates tab, you'll find a Smart Template. Most of the package can be found in the Objects tab. For example, type in the word cinema at the bottom and you'll find all the content. These are backgrounds, sound objects, effects and animations, and some decorations, meaning graphics. Let's take a closer look at some of the elements. In the timeline, I already have some photos and videos, like you could use them for a birthday video, for example. The videos have quite a high resolution, and so that I don't get into trouble here. While I'm running the recording and playing the videos, I create proxy videos from my video files. That means substitute videos with a smaller resolution, and then everything runs really smoothly and quickly. But that's just a side note because we really want to check out the effects from the cinema package. The first thing I need for my video is an intro. For this, I drag the projector object into the timeline. When playing, you can even hear a projector sound, and you can see something being projected onto a screen. This something can be, for example, a text. So let's grab a text object, and I'm going to put it in the projector effect. Then I adjust my text content. And also the alignment, the text size, the text color. Here I don't use total black, but rather a very dark gray. And that looks pretty good. I can also add an image or video to this projector effect. I make the duration of the text and the video the same. So this is how it looks so far. But the video is a bit too normal for me here. The intro should be a bit more elaborate or impactful. That's why I'm going to drag another effect onto the video, the narrow film. This now overlays my video with some glitches and image adjustments. Okay. Next up in my series of images is a photo, and I also want to give this a suitable effect. I'm going to drag the CRT effect onto the photo this time. There are numerous setting options in the properties of the effects. For example, I can influence the color of the color cast here. I'm choosing a yellow-orange. The next two elements should also be given the effect. That's why I'm just dragging them into the CRT effect, and we play it once. Okay. What can work well here is a vignette. I'm going to close the CRT effect and drag the vignette effect onto the CRT effect. And now you can see this colored border appears here in all three photos or videos. The photos and videos still aren't edited directly right after each other. I give them all a crossfade so the transitions look more exciting. In this case, a vision fade. I also want to add some textual information here. I'll drag a text animation object into the timeline. These are ready-made animated captions where I only need to adjust my texts. And because it's so great, I'll add a second text right away. Then I just copy it again and paste a third text object. And then this passage looks like this. I want to age this next video clip a bit. That's why I'm giving it the film grain effect. That creates an effect we're actually familiar with from analog film, and that filmmakers back then actually tried to avoid. It can make smooth, clean, digital video recordings seem more vibrant, more tangible. I'll also use a color effect that comes with the program by default. It's called the color effects effect. With it, you can easily make a photo or video black and white. And on to the next film fragment. Let's take a trip down memory lane to the 80s and remember what it was like back then with VHS video cassettes. There are many setting options here too, but I'll leave it for now and fine-tune it later if needed. Here I'll add a brighter color to the image caption. To lengthen the text, you can just drag the gradient longer and also drag the text object to the appropriate duration. By the way, the batten effect fits well with this theme, which you can find as default in PhotoVision, VideoVision, and Stages. I'm dragging it onto this disco video, which seems a bit too dark to me. Hold on, let me show you what it looks like without it. And now with the batten effect. Over there I won't choose the green drama, but the green-yellow template. And then we're already nearing the end. I'm going to activate the live view for this video so that I can edit it better. Because this is where the Photoshoot effect fits perfectly. I'll divide the video into 4 sections and then drag the Photoshoot effect onto each of the 4 snippets. And if I don't want to do anything else, that's all I need to do. When you play it, it looks like this. Oh, I have to fix this again. The editing gave the video a fade out that ends abruptly. You wouldn't notice if you didn't have an overlay, but since the effect causes a fade in, you can still see a bit of the previous video in between. So I'll mark all the video snippets and change the fade out to leave it alone, and then it also works with playback. I might add a text animation at the end too. I'll use the pink template again. And I'll enlarge the text a bit more. And let it show for a little longer. Then I'll turn on the fog machine. Do some fine-tuning and add music. And then my little sample project will be finished. Feel free to watch it again. If you liked it, I'd appreciate a thumbs up at the end. Thanks.